Hi guys, welcome to this channel. I am so excited today, by the way, because I have a DIY video. I want to try and make a bucket hat. Yes, a bucket hat. So I found this one. I don't know whose it is, but it actually fits very nicely. Can you see it? Yeah, it's torn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to deconstruct it and use it as my pattern, because I feel like it fits nicely. So that's what I'm going to do today. Yeah, and that's today's video. So it's just that I have a weird hairstyle, but I feel like it fits really nicely. It's just that I have this is how my hair looks. So yeah, let me deconstruct this and then we use it to make a pattern, then make our own bucket hat. Yes. So that is the top part, this is the middle part, and this is the sorry, that's my brother. This is the bottom part. So I'm going to sew these two together here and then just connect these edges together. Do the same for this one too, and this for the lining also. Yes. The top circular part, the middle part, and the bottom part. Is this the brim? Yes, so I've connected all of them. And this too. So this is how it looks right now. This is like a canvas-ish material, and then this is satin. I thought it would be nice for my hair. Yes, so what I'm going to do, let me just put them like the right sides together, like this. So this is the right side inside. Then I also put this right side inside here and then match the seams. Like this is the bottom seam with this one. So this is the wrong side also. Yeah, so I'm just connecting the seams. Tuck it in here and then also connect these two seams. As you can see, this seam and this seam, and then pin them together. Yes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew around like this and then leave an opening so that I can be able to turn this to the right side. So I'm going to do that, then come back. So this is how the heart looks like. So what I'm going to do is just sew this inside here to cover this opening, and then iron it nicely so that the seams are nice and flat, so they lay nicely. Yeah, I think you get me. So, and then after ironing, I will decide. You might as well just leave it like this, but I will decide if I want to do those stitches that run across like this. Yay, I'm so excited because I've been trying this so many times, but failing. You know, you try, Okay, let me just do that and come back. I feel like I've tried. I don't want to do the lines here because I'm just too tired and lazy, but I hope you got the idea. So thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share, and if you tried, please tag me on Instagram at Pamodua so that I can see what you made. Yes, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. I'm kissing my heart. Bye.